take a look at this amazing video ad. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can create a video just like this. First, open Canva. Then, click on Video and pick a template that matches your style.
Simply click this option to change the background color.
Head over to the Elements tab, find your product, and get ready to create an ad for it.
Next, open the Text tab and enter the name of the product or object you're showcasing.
Highlight the text and click this option to change its color.
Click this option to select your font style.
Select the text again, head to Effects. Choose the Lift option and adjust the intensity to make it stand out. Select the text, make it bigger, and place it neatly above the line right here. Click the three dots and choose Duplicate Page to make a copy.
Now, adjust how long the clip plays by changing its time duration. On the second page,
increase the size of your product
and place it neatly to one side of the screen.
Click and hold the hidden text, then move it to the spot where you want it to appear. Click this option to add your transitions. Next, choose the Match and Move transition. Adjust the transition duration using this option. Click this button to preview your video. Simply repeat this process for your remaining clips.
And here's the finished look of your video ad.